to import email accounts is you create a new text file to save email accounts. Then you enter the corresponding information here. First is email address. Then you separate this information by comma, password. Then comma, recovery email, if any. Similarly, you can enter thousands of accounts here. Each account will be entered on one line. Another case is you select from data at browse instructions session. So you will import information with the browse too. For example, email, then comma, password, then comma, recovery mail, if any. If you don't have recovery mail, you can enter a comma here. Next, the IB. Colon port. Colon browser user, if any. Then colon browser password, if any. Then you click to save. On this database manager dialog box, you click on convert, select import CSV, click on this icon, select the created text file of email, then click OK. You can see the information of email has been imported here. The default group is CSV. You can click on this icon, then type another name for easily manage this group. Then click OK. Then you close the dialog box. At email account session, you select the group of accounts that you want to run. Next, IMAP server and IMAP port session. You need to enter the IMAP server and IMAP port of the type of email you imported at email account session. You can search this information on Google. For example, if you import Gmail into email account session, you need to search IMAP server and port of Gmail on Google like this. And then you will see the IMAP server and IMAP port here. Just copy this information to paste it into the corresponding session. Next, at OTP service and API SMS key, you need to create an account on this side. Top up your account and copy, then paste the key into this API SMS key session. Finally, you click OK. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software creates Amazon accounts automatically. After creating accounts, you click on this icon later. Then the created account will be automatically updated as done in register column here. To export this created account, you click on Convert, select Export CSV or Export XLS. Now I will select Export CSV, then click on this icon. Select the disk that you want to save this file, then enter the file name here. Then click Save, then click OK. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to use Amazon account creator bot to create Amazon accounts automatically. You can visit qnabot.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.